Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Nike Air Max 270s, I think they're called. Yeah, Nike Air Max 270s, I believe they're called that anyway. If they're not, it'll be whatever the title of the video is, so I'm not 100% sure. So don't quote me on that. I think they're the 270s. I know that they're the 270s, I don't know what the first part of the name is. Pretty sure it's Air Max, so we'll just check anyway. So I got this from Asylum. I picked them up for 130. Well, they're £130 in Asylum. In JD they're 120, and but they didn't have this black color. And in everywhere else it was 130 as well. So with the Asylum you get student discount though, and there's also NHS discount, which is a 10% as well. So you get 10% student discount or the other one. So either way it's just 10% off, which is good, because say that 130 I only paid 116 after that, 116.99 I think. So it saved me like £14, £13. So it's not bad. Just think about it. If you get it's like getting 10 shoes from here. I'll get a free one at the end of it basically. If I buy 10 shoes from Asylum compared to like JD, I'll be able to buy extra one for free from the money saved. So it's worth it. But yeah, I love the Asylum bag as always. So okay. So the reason I got these, because my last shoes have just exploded. So if you remember the XPLRs I've had, I'll go have a look for you. Both pairs are fully gone now. So we had a pair of black ones, they're fully gone now. So well, on this side is, as you can see, it's this thing, these snap off very easily, and that somehow exploded. I'm not sure how. It used to be a thing that I could press in. But yeah, that's the weak point of these shoes, but they lasted about 2-3 years. And then I also had the EQT's support or something. That was my favorite shoe. That was the most comfy shoe ever, the Adidas ones. But I took them on holiday too many times, gone through beaches, everything. And then the last thing was played paintballing with them in the muddiest terrain ever. That was the death of the shoes, so they're gone as well, guys. It's been rest in peace for that. If I could get that shoe again I would, but it's very hard to find, especially in my size. So yeah, so I'm a size 10 in these, but I'll show you now. Also, it's only one pair that on each shoe that's broken. I don't get that, so very weird that. So I kept the good working pair so I can use them for like, so when I wear them it's going to be one black, one green on each feet. But yeah, I kept it for like gardening and stuff, if I ever decide to become a gardener. I'm just going to pause the video while I open this a bit, because it's quite hard with one hand. I don't have my tripod at the moment, it's still in the garage. We've made quite a lot of content. If you watch my, it depends when I upload this, but hopefully I upload in the right order. We've got a 7 series in, so we're going to be doing a lot of work on that. That's going to stay in the garage till all the work's done, because it's just easier, because it's a very small garage, like a workshop garage, and it's very hard to get that car in and out. So we decided we're just going to leave the car inside until we actually need to do anything that requires it to leave the garage. So all the painting and stuff that we want to do, taking off the grills and stuff, we're going to all do that inside there. So yeah, stay tuned for them videos. But anyways, back to this video. I've not done a clothing one in ages, so it's quite nice to see. Like I said, I'm going to pause the video for a second. I'm going to open this up a bit and pull the box out. Alright guys, also guys, if you hear in this noise, sorry about that, the washer's gone on that, so it's just always leaking, and there's nobody can fix it for us at the moment because of COVID, so there's not much really option I can do. But yeah, alright, so these are the Air 270s. So yeah, so they are the Air Max 270s. So this is the black color. They come in quite a different, this is the black on black color. There's a black on white color as well, and there's a blue and black, there's blue and pink, black and pink. There's a lot of different combination, black and yellow, everything. But black on black is like a standard color for me. I usually stick to my Adidas, but these are very, very beautiful. At the moment, Adidas, I've not found anything I like. Like, they're all just too similar to what I have there. I want something new, so hopefully they can make some new lineup of shoes, because usually when I used to see Adidas, they used to excite me. I'm not getting excited anymore. These Nike ones are exciting me, so I'm really impressed. Let's have a look at the box. So on the box, it says Zoom Air. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Let me see if I can get it to pick up now. One second, let me try with this. Oh, there, can you see it there? It says Air Max 90 Zoom Air ZN. What does that say? ZM. Nike Air Zoom Air Max. Yeah, it's just all over the box. I guess it's like an authentication thing, so you know it's an authentic box. Okay, so we've got Air 270 there as well, with a nice logo. It's like a cool hipster one. Got black and white color scheme. Got the Nike tick logo, everything there. Okay, oh, that carries on there. Okay, so these are size 11. So when I was trying in the store, the 10 did not fit me at all, and I'm a 10. So I don't know if it's a size. I don't know if my legs have got, my feet have got bigger, because maybe that's why the Adidas ones were blowing up. You know, the strings. Could be. I might have grown some size. It could be because I used to grow. My feet used to go fast. But you know about the people with big feet. You know, they have big socks. But you know, UK 11. So I've gone one size up. So don't quote me on that. It might just be a size difference between Adidas and Nike. But yeah, so we've got the black on black on black. So triple black. Have a look at that. So the Air Max 270 triple black. Yeah, Noa. So that's French, made in Vietnam, guys. Fabric in Vietnam. Okay, that's underneath. It's just all the trademark stuff. The Nike swoosh and just do it, names and trademarks. Let's have a look at the shoe itself. Ooh, look at that. Wait, what? Past quality check. Is this an electrical item? Alright. Look how beautiful they are. Wow. I'm really impressed with these shoes, guys. Like when I first saw them in the store, I was really impressed. I first actually showed them in a small JD that I'm used to going to, and they had some even more exclusive colours that's just specific for that store. But I didn't want to pay the heavy price tag. It was 170 for these exclusive colours. Like you won't find them anywhere else. It was specific just for that store. I don't want to pay the price at the time because it's just a run around shoe. This is my all around shoe. It's not like something, because I'm planning to buy some what you call it, EA7 shoes, or Emporio Armani 7, whatever you call it. The black on blacks, they're fucking beautiful. The diamond one, I can't remember what it's called. It's a sport one, CR Sport or something. It's beautiful. When I first ever saw it in Trafford Centre is in Manchester, it's a shopping mall if you don't know. So when I first saw that, I was in love. I didn't see the black one, I just saw the white one, but that was beautiful. And then when I what I do is I always make the mistake of, I see something I really like and I think I'll come back and get it. So when I came back the next week, it was gone. I checked every single shop, it was gone. And then I had to go online. The only place that was selling it was Armani themselves, and they were very high price. So, but then I found, when I was checking the website, I found the black ones, which is very exclusive. They're 200 and something pounds, but they're definitely worth it. I will happily buy them. So I'm planning to purchase them soon, so you might see this video soon as well on them. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, sorry about all the waffling on. Let's go ahead and look at the shoes. Look at that. Oh my god, that is very beautiful. One thing I will tell you about this is very thick. Like it will raise your height a tiny bit. You will notice that. So yeah. So this part here is like this is where your air is inside, by the way. You can feel it's a bit squidgy. It's like a hard squidginess, so there's definitely air in there. And yeah, it can be popped. That's a bit dirty. I'll probably have to wipe that with something. Okay, so it says 270 there. Got the Nike tick there. Got some leather there, and then you got your normal mesh fabric and holes in it for the breathability, I guess, or air. And then you got your normal cloth there. You got an air logo there in that quill font. What does this say here? 270 and that Nike tick. Cool. I really like it. There's no reflectiveness on this, which is okay, I guess, because it's a triple black. It'll be pretty cool. What the hell? Flat laces. Not seen that before on a shoe. So yeah, that's quite interesting. Let's see. Wow. So yeah, this black bit here, I really like this. So when you get different colors, this is the main thing that's going to be changing color. You're going to see them in blue, orange, red, whatever, pink, whatever you want to see in. So Nike tick there, you got the Nike tick there as well. This part's a different texture as well. That's what I like. Oh, it says Max there, Air Max. So yeah, got the nice logo there as well. This is quite a bit thick. Okay, all the things are there. Let me have a look here. So main reason I got this is for the grip, because them Adidas ones are crap on grip. Like simply just going up a hill on the grass, you will slip. That's how bad they are. No matter what shoes I got, the expensive ones, the normal ones, because they're all just flat. Actually, I'll show you them. I'll compare you them. Let me go get them. You can see how bad the grip are. It's literally just flat. Okay. So all the Adidas are pretty much like this, apart from the EQ2s that I had. But yeah. Okay. So look, it's very flat and there's barely anything there. Actually, I think the other ones were worse than this, you know. Let me have a look at the other ones. Yeah, but as you can tell, there's barely any grip there. Just flat. The ridges are barely anything. Yeah, it's the exact same here. Very poor, very poor. Especially in the ice, you will slip and die. So yeah, alright. So these I got for the better grip. You got actual grooves in there so you can grip onto stuff. You got different textures for different things. This looks like it's been used or something. Is that mud? I don't know. I'll have to give it a wipe anyway. But oh well. Right, so you got texture there for some extra grip this way. Got the Nike tick under there as well. That's pretty cool. I like that. Alright. One thing I found weird is the way this connects there. Can you see where this part here just looks a bit odd? Like there's a hole there. I don't know. It just feels weird. But yeah, it looks alright. And this is all rigid and stiff. So yeah, let me have a look at the shoe now. Should be the same. Yep, everything's good. Just needs a good cleaning. Yeah. Gonna have a look at the inside now. Then we'll try them on. I'll tell you how comfy they are. Oh, look at that inlay. Oh, very nice inlay. You got like a blue surround on it. Oh, the inlay says Air Max on it. Air Max there as well. Got sticker. Let me take that off. Hopefully it doesn't leave a mark. There you go. Alright. What does that say? UK 11. UK 11. Okay, so we'll just check nothing. Ah, yeah. Top of that's quite hard. Okay, sizing wise, I say go up one size, but try it anyway, just in case. I don't know myself. I might be size 11 now. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure about that. So just try and install, I guess, before you buy it online or something or whatever. Alright, so this is quite cushioned. I like that. I'm gonna put it on now on my feet so you can see what it looks like, and I'll walk around for a second or two. You can know what it feels like as well, if it's comfortable. Okay. Oh, okay. Also guys, if you watch my car videos, my door causes my pants to give like a rust stain. It looks like mud. That's the bad thing. At first I usually think it was mud, but it's basically when it rains, the rust gets wet, and then the rust leaves like a paint stain every time I get out of the car in it. that's unavoidable. So what can I do? No matter what pants I wear. So yeah, life problems, but what can you do? Looking at getting a 3 series next, so hopefully that should be alright. M Sport 3 series, hopefully. Oh, that's if everything goes to plan. Okay, let's see. Whoop, whoop, whoop. These are very comfy. I will tie them up. I can already feel the height increased. So if you're 5'9", you will definitely be 5'10" now. Actually, I don't know how much it'll increase by, but it is significant. You can feel it. So I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna tie this up, stand up, and tell you what it feels like. Okay, got them on my shoe now. Got them tied up. The laces are pretty cool actually because they are flat. They're like a normal leg type in it. So yeah, that's what they look like on the feet. Look how nice they are. They are very beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, fun fact about me, guys, I actually never learned how to tie my shoelace till I was about 14, I think. Because I always used to, well, as a kid they didn't teach me, you know, in nursery, primary school, because you meant to learn in nursery, I think. But yeah, I didn't learn it there. So primary school, they probably thought I knew it, so they didn't teach it. So then yeah, just carried on like that. I just used Velcro shoes all the time. And then yeah, high school, no, was it high school? Yeah, end of high school, that's when I started. I just learned off YouTube, and yeah. So I'm not the best at tying shoelaces, but it is what it is, guys. Look at that. As long as it does the job, it does the job. Alright, guys, so yeah, these are beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, these are beautiful. Just take a shot to that. Look how nice they are. These are actually gorgeous, guys. Like, I'll be honest, I've not been excited about a shoe in a long time. This is amazing. Would I recommend them? Yes. At the moment, I can feel like the air feels weird, but that's probably because I'm not used to them. I'm used to feeling the flat floor. Do you know how the Adidas is flat? You can feel the floor slightly, so that's what I'm used to feeling. Whereas this, I can feel like the air in the back, which I guess I'll get used to in time. Like, it's not bad. It's quite comfy. Hopefully I get used to it. If not, I don't know, guys. Well, I might have to go back to Adidas, guys. I'm joking. We'll try it though, innit? If I can bear with it. Like, it does feel comfortable. It's not too bad. So yeah, I'd recommend these 100%. Like, these look amazing. They feel alright. They do take a bit of time to get used to if you're used to just wearing Adidas like me. Wow, I used to wear Adidas Sunboy. I'm gonna clean this up, and yeah, should be very nice. Is it worth the money? Definitely. Go ahead and buy this, guys. I guess. Thank you guys for watching, and possibly my next video might be the Emporio Armani ones. So stay tuned for them. It might not be straight after this video. It will be soon though. So as long as they're still in stock, because I do really want the shoes. So I'm gonna try buy them this week. Oh yeah. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.